and take Cartel dick out of your mouth. The only person would have Cartel dick in his mouth that come close to Cartel.
A few moments later.
But me not that close to Cartel for dick in my mouth.
2,000 years later.
God's uncle is passionate about him, really.
Brother, me no fuck man, dog. Me no come on the internet, come cuss bono man. I reason with your dog. You see
brother, you fuck people that talk about alkaline spice. The money you talk about. You never say spice. Arshensia.
A few moments later.
Me na cause so me talk. Me na cause so me talk.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, no, know anything set. You say it. So, people, I don't want to see thumbnail. See? I want to see Vybz Cartel, twin vlogger them. If you look on the two of them so similar things, similar background in common. May I tell you? Two of them head ball. Seeing? Them shame for sure, so them have to wear fitted hat. You understand? Yeah, I'm going to tell you this. The two of them mouth big. Seeing? Two of them sound like some girl where they downtown and a trace. And the two of them, we know about one. Where him say, when Cartel the prison. Seeing? Gaza uncle. When Cartel the prison, him dey on phone with him at night time. Seeing? And the next one, Kevin, him found out where they say, Cartel tell him whatsoever. Seeing? So, you know, say the two of them very emotionally connect to Vybz Cartel. Them loud. The way how them talk. Seeing? Let me tell you this. You see now them relationship? None of them are the man. Are the woman. Are the man. Them are the female. You understand? Because look here now. No girl or no. Girl we have sense with them head. I go really did if it meets them type of money. Where them sip on the internet every day a trace because of a man. You understand? These are the problem, you know. Nothing no wrong if you fall out. Anna, clear the ear for somebody. Or you say aka your artist. But you see them two youth here? Them emotionally invested. May I tell you? And when they must say something, you know, they must style it the wickedest way. See? So, we see a brother forward out and make us see it. What really, what the brother you say about Kevin?
Talk to people, because the Christmas start off away. One Kevin star. Money for one Kevin I get too emotional or what? Because one Kevin I say something about killer. And then now, he must say, I did try for boss, him son them. You get me I say? And killer not even I give him own son no strength. And his son not have no talent. You get me I say? And can't find a song. And I behave more so yeah. Get me I say, but one Kevin understand say, you see them thing are family matters, brother. Don't get involved in family matters.
You see one Kevin him now. You see them money you know is them have a feminine thing about them, you know. You see, when you see them money I sit down in a vehicle and I do them thing. Seeing? And some of them, you know, them just do it for the views and the likes. Cause before that, remember, you know, nobody never know one Kevin when Vybz Cartel in prison. You understand? Nobody no know of that. No know of him. As since Cartel come out and him say something and it go viral, he just start run with it. Him say my DJ, I never see my DJ yet. No video, nothing. Seeing? Look, unless him put on DJ now, because Vybz Cartel and him a do him thing. Seeing? But this is the problem now. Nothing wrong if him a defend Vybz Cartel based on what people are say. But the problem with him now, this brother I say something where him, remember you know, him now say allegedly, you know, him a make a statement where it's like him did it when it did go on. Right? And him for member say, brother, you say something about some people and I bring down them brand. Things where you don't know about. You can't even work with where people are hearsay or whatsoever. But him always found out with something where you have to say, dog, all them money I know about them something here. Seeing? And yo, them money tease up people the wickedest way. But him for member say, brother, you sit down in your car every day, you know. You understand? You have to watch what you do, brother, because you say something in the media with some people and you don't know when that day will strike, bro. You understand? Because Vybz Cartel can't save you, dog. Anything happen to you, Vybz Cartel, no business boy, you brother. You understand? So sometimes when you put yourself out there in a public like this and feel like say, yeah man, a social media man, me can't say anything. Make a sad mistake, dog, me I tell you that.
Because look, major killer son, came out, with a video, that means if him came out with a video as a public figure, brother, and I explain and I put you, one Kevin, in your place, that means this thing is serious, dog.
And you see the thing is that Bountiful just tell him son, say, brother, just now back and forth. You can't broke back and forth with them type of money, brother. Them money, as me say, come like some girl downtown. Them money with trace, get up and put camera in them car or on them live for trace, brother. Them money, you can't beat them in a tracing when it comes to Vybz Cartel, dog. You understand? You have to just low them. You see me? So Bountiful just tell him son, say, brother, cause Bounty not do it. If you just tell him son, say, brother, just low out them man, the brother. No. Come forward on the media, no. Back and forth. You're not going to win, brother. Attention, them money. You see like a girl love attention. Them money, 10 times love attention. So a moment, you can remember, Kevin and nobody where we really like deserve a response from. Yeah, like for talk about him I was so Bounty son, him shouldn't have followed out and made them type of money, brother. You understand? Them money is some brother we just because of money and feminine emotionally attached to an artist. Yeah. Cause them money with trace, brother. Them money we sit down and can't trace like a girl for Cartel, bro. You understand? And I like saying forward out and a speed facts. Seeing? Like whatever people saying in the media, him now forward out and him a bring up some slackness and all of them like a thing there, bro. You understand? But down in a video, I'm gonna tell you, I play one video and see what I go on. You understand? So Bounty if you just tell him son, say brother, now pay them money mind, just focus on your music.
Because remember, a killer son that attack, The reason why Major may came out and say something, him father cannot vent. And one killer get angry and killer get mad at your brother. You see me I say, but you can do a vlog, brother, but don't get too emotional when it comes to Vybz Cartel. Because Vybz Cartel, if something happened to your cartel now, go defend your brother. You just a vlogger. You get me I say, you just doing vlogging. Cartel now go defend your cartel, you just a vlogger.
Let me tell you this, them money they on TikTok. I'm not vlogging that, brother. Them money not vlog. You understand? When you have vlog, your correct narrative. Them money not correct narrative, brother. Them money are forward for bring down people brand. You understand? Go dig up some file about some graping or something where them a hear or them not no proof it. Or this them money do, brother. You understand? Them money not do vlogging, brother. Them money are bring down. You understand? I'm not vlogging that, bro. Cause some of the time them money talk with feelings and emotions when it come to Vybz Cartel. You understand? Them not talk things with sense, dog. You see it?
So don't get too emotional and this killer for Cartel. Remember Kevin? If Cartel tell you say take it easy upon killer, that's a warning, brother. That's not a statement, that's a warning of you telling you that because the Gaza boss I tell you that. You get me I say? Cartel me I say things yes, but I can't lie. I can't true. But when I say Cartel I tell you things, Kevin, if you're not 100% sure, say Cartel I tell you things, don't come on the internet and say that because you throw the Gaza boss under the bus.
Let me tell you this. Me no feel like Cartel I tell them money nothing, brother. Them money it's just some girl where we just a vent, dog. You understand? Yeah. Them Cartel not tell them money nothing, bro. Them does. It's because of the views and people are vlog about them and I put them up and all of them look on them, see themselves go viral. It's like when a female say that she get all of the attention, all of the picture of everybody. Yeah. It's like them get jiggery. Them must say, yeah, this more man. Yeah, man. More views. Can't remember in a TikTok him depend and him get a little money. You understand? So him just use if I have views and every little thing. You see me? So them money, brother. Them money no business. I want bag of chat him mad. I say, brother, it's not like you sit down in a house where lock up or something, brother. You sit down in a car, brother. You see me? Anybody can pass and see in the car and all of them look at something. Them money no business. Them man care about what people say about Cartel than film life.
I remember, you did the killer, you know, you did the cartel, you know. Cause remember, you know, killer this cartel, you know. A Tommy Lee killer a cheer against, you know. And one Kevin get emotional and I call up killer name because of massacre and Tommy Lee feud, you know. So one Kevin don't get too emotional, brother. And don't tell nobody say, yo, you come from Grand Spain and man a real gangster and them thing, you know, do them thing, brother. You know?
Kevin a fool. Real gangster not talk them way there, brother. Go come from Grand Spain. Bro, chit chat man them the dog. You understand? Them just make them talk if you feel like say yo Ray. Brother, gangster no move them. First of all, gangster and bad man no depend TikTok, bro. A GP up and a chat, bro. You move like girl. No, brother. You understand? Them man they just act bad, brother. You understand? Real gangster no do them thing they bro get emotionally over man, dog. You mad?
You know, not a fact that not even necessary. You get me answer? That's not necessary, brother. Unity, if man them say. You get me answer? Everybody say unity. So just humble no man, don't be up on internet. Come realize, okay, yeah, do your vlog, you know, Kevin, but you are Kevin. I feel like you get too emotional when it comes to Cartel. We know you're different Cartel because of incarceration. And
brother, them man ya, sometimes you wonder if them have a woman, dog. I tell you. Because them man ya so invested. For get up every day. For emotional. For a man. Or what, no matter what. It's like a girl where defend them man. Or so it seems. You understand? Because me see them man get loud. The man sit down in them car every day. I don't know how them man ya do it, dog. The man get loud in the car. Yo, Cartel, this, that, re. Can't this, re. But you see, the way them so invested in a Cartel and we chat one bag of crap, them not think about feed them life, you know. You understand? Them get up every day and I disrespect people. Mean, them a bring up something, right? Them can reason it out, you know. But them man we involve all your pitney in it. Them man will involve all your pitney and your family, everybody. Talk something. The man will bring down your whole family, brother. And you and them. Remember, you know, Bounty never found out on this Cartel in no type of way, you know. And them man, take it up. Start involve Bounty's son and all of them look something here. You understand? And them no know say, brother, anything for happen to, bro, me tell them already, you know. You see, when now go down the road that dissing people and I bring up all them family and them look a thing there, bro. Yo, sometime when you call long things for yourself, brother. You see me?
we Cartel been through, we understand that part there. And Cartel been through a lot. We understand that. And
I know a worst thing. I don't know how comes Bounty son reaching at this, you know. You understand? I don't know how comes Bounty son reaching at this. I think say a Bounty them a did, but some of them money, bro, I tell you.
You know, no matter what, even me vlog more time, me not be like a Cartel and make him man think small, you know. They still give me rating, see he's a great artist. You get me, I say, but you better vlog and say, yo, killer done, killer no song, killer. You know, better you say that, but when I say I send threat, but based on your message was very sensitive. Because if killer can come on TikTok on Instagram and say your Gaza vlogger, your Gaza gay, and name something there. You know, sorry for my language, but that's what killer said, right? But me know why you get too emotional that.
Yo, brother, you can't tell them man I say don't get emotional. Them man are emotionally connected. You understand? It's like when two person band join together, I saw them man move. You understand? I disrespect them man when I tell them say you don't get emotional. You understand? Some of them man we see even not get emotional, bro. Like every day them get up, turn on camera up on them face. Seeing? Me I tell you, 95% of them Cartel don't know them, dog. You understand? Cartel don't know them. You see me?
Yeah. Behave the way you behave. Because major you know, killer son, you know, say you will get all box up. Them things are serious, dog. Them man they are public figure, you know, king. Them man they, me not gonna say him can't do nothing still. I mean, I say he will do anything, but just do your vlog, but don't get too emotional when it comes to Vybz Cartel. You know what I mean? Keep it professional and keep it more clean. No kind of artist name for Cartel, brother, because If an artist Russia or artist friends Russia, Cartel now go defend you, because Cartel don't know if I know where, brother. And Cartel now go put himself in a trouble for you, because Cartel don't know your king. You think say me have, if me vlog about kill and this, some other man. And other man rush me. You think they kill a business in me? How the blood clot? They kill a business in me, brother. So that me I try to talk about. One for us vlog and humble yourself at the same time. Yeah, man. But anyway, respect. I hope if I see this video, you don't take it too personal. It's just a way of, there's a reasoning. So just not get too emotional. You get me? I say?
And take Cartel.
Look here now. See me now. Look how them, I tell you people. Look how them man react. I'ma tell you, this is a very weird situation, you know. More you listen to the same Kevin, right? How them man react. You see the reaction, the moving a body reaction and thing when it comes to Vybz Cartel. Just listen how them man move. Me I tell you, them now move like a G. Me I tell you that.
You get me?
You
I say?
And
understand?
take Cartel dick out of your mouth. The only person who would have Cartel dick in his mouth that come close to Cartel is your father. Me not go close to Cartel. Cartel are my artist. But me not that close to Cartel for dick in my mouth. Think about your father.
You hear a man just a while ago. Him not there close to Cartel for Ray in a fee mouth. So where am I try to say this or now? If him did there on Cartel, Ray whatever would happen, at that him I try to say, brother, I tell you, you know. You see TikTok? Yo, me not even, I tell it to right. TikTok expose a lot of them men. Me I tell you. The way how the man move a while ago, dog. Like the man move like a skittle. One of them girl in downtown where, bro. Yo, I tell you. But look, that brother you found out and I see a thing about Kevin. You understand? So listen what I go on.
Waste man, you know. Yeah, me never see something. Yo, TikTok create some blood clot waste man, me I tell you, dog. When Kevin there, I said, no, guys are nothing in the dog. And when the pussy was say Cartel about to come out of prison, you know. Saying he must go make a critique about Cartel and say get a hit. Man.
Yes, a real thing. Because we never know of Kevin, seeing? We never know of Kevin from nowhere. And when the little things say Cartel in the court case and everything, him forward out. You understand? Because one time I think one video out there, you know, when he must say, yo, no man from prison can't get no crown. Them time they are Cartel him attack, you know. You understand? No for them what you see. Them just a run with a clout. You understand? And you don't know some of my Gaza fan base them I go kinda, you know, I work with him and you know. So him feel so good in himself. He say, alright, yeah man, people are showing me the ratings. So that's why you see him so emotionally attached when it comes to Vybz Cartel and nobody calling Vybz Cartel name. You understand? But before that, when Cartel there prison, he was nowhere to be found. Remember one time when Cartel put up a clip and I must go say him hairdresser and one man in the background, Zane. But it's like the hairdresser they sit down over the next couch. Seeing? Him a run with it, you know. Like him ready to bring down Cartel thing and say, yo, what that Cartel, yo? Yo, that man thing there, Ray. And then when you check it out, I never saw it go. You hear me talk about, yo, I know me, you know, I know me. Yes, man. Them not real. Them just a work for the views and all of them little thing there. You see me?
Get little views, the man go fully Gaza. Brother, you're fake dog, you're not a real Gaza. Attention, you look dog, you're not a real Gaza fan, bro. Stop the lie, you're not a Gaza fan. Saying attention, you look, I know you don't do anything to get forward. Like you just suck a dick for your dollar, dog. You're a real waste man, dog.
Everybody know that. People, let me tell you this. There's no real general. I go sit down in a car every day. Remember, you know, every day the man sit down in a car and a trace a bag of masculine gender. You understand? For your next man, every day the man sit down in a car. You understand? No real G nah do that, bro. Especially sit down in a car, dog. A go on so over a man so emotionally invested. That's any fly pitch and I talk about Cartel. It might get loud. So which girl I go sit down and I watch video on YouTube and see them man a go on so. Nah, sir. There's something wrong with that, the girl. Me I tell her that. You understand?
People them. Because you're not Gaza, you're not loyal to Gaza, man. You don't know nothing about Gaza. Attention here, look, but you don't soon get the attention when I look here. Yeah, man, boy, you're selector your blood clot. You're waste, man, youth. So,
Yeah, man. Me I tell the people. So, people, that next clip here now. This year with the next one, Gaza uncle. People, want to listen in, man. Me I sure you say them money are no money, no. Them money are some girl. It's like when it comes to Vybz Cartel, them gender change. It go in a feminine. And that me realize. Here this a money so loud. This a him and one brother. Brother must see that talk about alkaline. Seeing? And him I talk about Vybz Cartel. Hear how the man sound, brother. May I tell you how them man sound like some girl downtown. Just because of Vybz Cartel. Just listen, people.
Where the brother you come from in the argument? I say you like argue that?
No, like argument because the king real. You never know when Cartel do. You never know.
The loud Vybz people. Listen to that Vybz there.
Gaza uncle is passionate about him, really.
Brother, I'm not fuck man dog. I'm not come for internet come cuss bono man. I reason with your dog.
Brother, you fuck into the talk about alkaline is fight. The money you talk about. You never say spice. Arsensia. Alkaline you come say. Money you talk about.
So well, me talk. You say me a cuss? You come a cuss?
But me not cuss. So me talk. Me not cuss. So me talk.
People, this is so disgusting, me I tell you. This sound like a man? You hear the man attack because of Vybz Cartel? This a Vybz Cartel, top vlogger, Gaza uncle. You hear man attack? Say, yo, brother, me I tell you, yo, you have to watch out, you know.
You sound like a man who draw down your guns and tear your body. That's you sound like a big bitch.
What can I argument this? How can I?
You sound like a big bitch, dog.
How old are you, yeah? I bet you gun now. How can I really argue this? I bet you gun now, brother.
You sound like a big bitch, man. Come on by phone.
How can you gun? Different something you gun now, brother. We not do that tonight night.
Yo, people, me I tell you, yo, I have to watch out for them money, you know. Cause, and not even man, you have to wonder, them are why, either them are female or male, cause, brother, them emotional speech, brother, over man, brother, you know sound right, dog. Me I tell you that. I tell you about them money, brother. You understand? Especially some of them people, cause bro, me tell you, you have gangster in the Gaza thing, you know. You know see real gangster them will say Gaza. Or real people them say Gaza react them type of way, brother. You understand? Them rate cartel. But you know see them a forward out and a sound them type of way, dog. Man say I saw him talk. Bro, you sound like a kettle, brother. Just because of Vybz Cartel make you get in your emotions, brother. Then tell me no all the female woman all here. Yo. People, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, emotionally damaged. You understand it? People, when you don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, you know his thing said. That is it.